Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Maisarah Binti Azizul, and today I am going to present my final year project titled A Systematic Review on Cassia alata Leaves Against Dermatological Diseases. According to the Global Burden of Disease Research, skin disorders remain in the fourth place as the greatest cause of non-fatal disease burden across the world. More than 3,000 skin disorders have been identified, ranging in severity and symptoms from self-limiting infections and benign tumors to chronic inflammatory illness and malignant neoplasm that causes significant morbidity and have a negative impact on one's quality of life. There are many causes of skin diseases, which includes inherited factors, bacterial infection, viral infection, fungus infection, and many more. Dermatological disorders are treated in a variety of ways: antihistamines, medicated lotions and ointments, antibiotics, vitamin or steroid injections, and a variety of other medications are available. Medicinal herbs have been proven to treat diseases with little adverse effects. One of the medicinal plants includes Cassia alata, which belongs to the Fabaceae family. This plant is well known for its biological activities such as antimicrobial, antioxidant, antidiabetic, and many more. This is because the plant contains many beneficial phytochemicals such as imodin, chimeferol, tannins, and others. Cassia alata leaf, bark, and stem were used to treat hemorrhoids, inguinal hernia, syphilis, and diabetes in Asian countries such as India, Philippines, and China. While in northern Nigeria, stem, leaf, and roots decoctions are used to heal wounds, skin and respiratory tract infections, burns, diarrhea, and constipation. The frequent usage of Cassia alata leaf is greater than that of roots, flowers, and stem is due to the metabolites recorded in the leaves. Although there are many types of modern treatment available these days, some places in rural areas have limited access to them. Other than that, these modern treatments cause some side effects to the human skin. For instance, using topical corticosteroids to treat atopic dermatitis can cause the skin to shrink. Ultimately, the study focusing on the potential of Cassia alata as a remedy for skin diseases is still inadequate. The objective of this study is to analyze the journals available on potential of Cassia alata against skin diseases, to identify the type of skin disease that uses Cassia alata as its remedies, and to evaluate the causative agent for the diseases treated by Cassia alata. Next, the methodology of this study is explained. This study was structured based on the preferred reporting items in Systematic Reviews and Meta-Analysis PRISMA 2009 checklist. 4 databases were used in this evaluation, which are Web of Sciences, Scopus, Sage, and Science Direct, with the specific keywords of Cassia alata leaves and skin diseases. From the 4 databases, a total of 254 articles were retrieved. Next, inclusion and exclusion methods were applied. First of all, articles between 2010 and 2021 were included in this literature search, while articles published before 2010 were excluded. And after sorting the articles, a total of 58 journals were excluded, leaving 196 journals after the preliminary assessment. After that, 169 articles were removed for not fulfilling the inclusion criteria, which are the validation of the plant, where the plant were identified as Cassia alata or Senna alata leaves, any skin diseases, and also articles that is written in English only. The eligible articles was left to 27, and lastly were assigned again for redundancy. In the end, 9 journal articles were retrieved and reviewed. The results of this study are going to be discussed next. The figure shows the number of publications throughout the years from 1981 until 2021 with the search keywords of Cassia alata leaves and skin diseases. The years that are discussed in this review are highlighted in red. As shown in the figure, the number of publications related to Cassia alata and skin diseases has increased significantly in the last 10 years. This review focuses on studies published from 2010 until 2021, representing 77.17% of all papers published under the search criteria since 1981 in accordance of the widespread of usage of Cassia alata for skin diseases. The data that is obtained from the journals are then tabulated and is shown in the table below. The first diseases that uses Cassia alata as a remedy is dermatitis. There are various types of dermatitis, such as atopic dermatitis and contact dermatitis. Dermatitis is a disease that is caused by a gram-positive, round-shaped bacterium called Staphylococcus aureus. Next, the disease that is also caused by bacteria is leprosy. Mycobacterium leprae causes leprosy, which is a chronic, progressive bacterial infection. This type of bacteria is a rod-shaped gram-positive bacterium. The phytochemicals in Cassia alata leaves such as kaempferol, luteolin, and aloimodine help to treat diseases that is caused by bacteria. More than that, the biological activity of Cassia alata leaves includes antifungal. Ringworm, superficial mycosis, and Tinea imbricata are examples of diseases that is caused by fungi. Ringworm is a common disease that uses Cassia alata as a remedy. Cassia alata is also known as ringworm bush because of its ability to treat this disease. This disease is usually red and itchy and shaped like a ring, hence it is called as ringworm. Next, superficial mycosis is a type of fungal infection that is common worldwide, affecting 20 to 25% of the world population. This disease is caused by fungi called Pityriasis versicolor. In addition, Tinea imbricata is also a type of disease caused by fungi called Trichophyton concentricum. This disease is quite rare as individuals living in primitive and secluded environments in poor countries are most affected, and it is rarely found in developed areas. The chemical constituents that is available in Cassia alata leaves like anthraquinone helps to treat these diseases. Not only that, Cassia alata leaf also help to treat diseases caused by parasites. Firstly, malaria is a disease that begins on the skin of the host, causing other symptoms such as fever, body ache, and many more. This disease is caused by Plasmodium falciparum and also Plasmodium berghei. Moreover, scabies is a type of disease where the parasite infests on the skin by a mite called Sarcoptes scabies. Scabies is a contagious skin disease that causes extreme itching, mite burrows, and the secondary skin lesions. Tannins, which is one of the chemical constituents of Cassia alata, helps to treat diseases originated from parasites. Last but not least, Cassia alata have antivirus as one of its biological characteristics. Herpes is a disease that is caused by herpes simplex virus type 1 and type 2. It produces mouth sores or blisters as well as other symptoms in or around the mouth or genitals. While shingles is a virus infection caused by varicella zoster virus, which is also responsible for chickenpox. A red skin rash which can cause pain and burning is a symptom of this viral illness. The phytochemicals in Cassia alata being flavonoids and phenolic helps to treat diseases caused by this virus. As a conclusion, Cassia alata is found to be the remedy of 9 types of skin diseases. The study explained on the causative agents for each of the skin disorders and examples of phytochemicals in Cassia alata leaves that helps to treat the skin diseases. More studies regarding the potential of Cassia alata as a medicinal plant should be studied for future research in order to expand the medicinal industry. That is all from me. Thank you for listening. listening to my presentation today.